In this video, everyone, I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of FIFA Mobile, in which you can get free unlimited FIFA points and a free store mod as well. So the only reason we call it a free store mod is because all the in-app purchases that would normally cost you real money in the normal version of FIFA Mobile are all for free in this modded version. And this is the FIFA Mobile, the modded version of FIFA Mobile, in which you can get a free store mod, and through the free store mod, you can get all the in-app purchases for free, such as the FIFA points. So this gives you an access to unlimited FIFA points as well. So this is an amazing mod, and the best thing about this mod is that this mod is workable, is compatible and downloadable on both Android and iOS devices. This is the FIFA Mobile Plus, the modded version of FIFA Mobile. And the best thing about this video is that in this video I'll be showing you the steps that will work on both Android and iOS devices. And using those steps, you will be able to download the modded version of FIFA Mobile for free into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Now with this modded version, as you can see, I have the store opened, and all these FIFA points all these different packages of FIFA points are costing me $0. So since they're costing me no money, I don't have to go through any payment process or something like that. All I have to do is simply click on them, and as soon as I click on them, the amount of money that particular package I click on has will be transferred to my personal FIFA points. So this makes this mod more special and more crazier. And this modded version makes the gameplay a lot more interesting and easier to play, and you can buy all the things and all the expensive features using that use FIFA points with this modded version, because with this modded version you can basically get unlimited FIFA points. So you can get anything that is costing you FIFA points, any expensive thing. So however, if you had the normal version, that would cost you like a lot of time, and it will take you a lot of time and cost you a lot of FIFA points. But with this modded version, all you have to do is simply come up to the store and start clicking and going crazy on these different packages, and you'll be able to get the required FIFA points into your personal FIFA points, and then you can use those FIFA points to buy the expensive things. So yeah, this is the FIFA Mobile Plus, and now I'll be simply saying bye-bye to this game, as I'll be closing it and deleting it so that I can show you how to download it again. So by number 1, I just closed it. Now by number 2, because I'm deleting this game again. So not again, I'm just deleting this game. So there you go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now the first thing you have to do when you're going on to download this FIFA Mobile Plus is locate your settings in your phone, which is going to be pretty simple and easy and quick. And open your settings and scroll down to General Settings, which will be above Control Center and beneath Screen Time. And look for background app refresh in the general settings, and open your background app refresh and make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data. If it's on any other thing, turn it to Wi-Fi and cellular data, because it should be on Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now this is step number 1, which is just for iOS devices. If you're using an Android device, you will have to skip to step number 2. And step number 2 is for both Android and iOS devices. But that is the only step for Android users that you have to do in the settings of your phone. Now once you've completed step number 1, you'll have to go to step number 2, which is for both Android and iOS devices, and that is that you have to look at your battery settings and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. These are the 2 adjustments that you have to make within the settings of your phone, with adjustment number 1 being for iOS devices relating to background app refresh, and adjustment number 2 relating to battery settings, where you have to make sure that your power saving mods on your either Android and iOS devices are turned off. Once you've done that, simply close your settings and open your browser. That is going to be a quick job as well. And into the search engine bar of your browser, you have to type in moddit.top. Moddit.top. Type that into your search engine bar, and once you will click search, you will see that a list of modded games and apps will appear right in front of you this way. And this list contains a lot of crazy cool things that you might be interested in, and a lot of things that will fascinate you to download them. And if you can't find the thing that you're here for in this list, go on to search in the search bar, but here you found it. Free store mod. All items in store are free, unlimited FIFA points, FIFA Mobile Plus. So if it's signed or not revoking, you just go on to install it by clicking here, and start the injection process by clicking the start injection button right here. Now there's no point of jailbreaking or rooting over here, because this method is pretty simple and straightforward, and it requires no jailbreak or rooting. And the only reason I fast forwarded the video over here is just to make it short, because the injection process takes like a few minutes, but not too long. And once the injection process finishes, you'll be asked to complete this one last easy step, which is going to be another super easy task, and I'll show you how to do it. So I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of instructions out of which I have to complete too, and certainly I'm going to go for the 2 easiest to follow the instructions. And my first one is going to be present or whatever. It is downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store in case you're using an Android device. So these apps are 100% safe to use because as they're downloaded from trusted sources. Now they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the offer. However, you might not notice me running this app for 40 to 50 seconds just because I have fast forwarded the video over here to make it short. Now I've completed my instruction number 1, and my instruction number 2 is going to be corporate banking. Again, I have to install it and run it for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds just to be sure that I've properly completed the instruction. Now, after I have my contents downloaded, I can simply delete these extra apps that were downloaded during the injection process because they may end up occupying space in your phone for no good reason, and just to optimize my storage. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your homepage, and you will notice that your FIFA Mobile Plus will be downloaded this way pretty easily, simply, and quickly in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another cool video. Until then, peace out.